Alright guys, so I haven't really done one of these yet. Bought a new car, alright? Let's start there. It's okay, it needs some work, alright? You wanna see it? You wanna see it? Alright. It's pretty cool. Let's get it. Let's get the focus. What is that? What is that? Ooh. R33. Alright, so, right. Got the R33. It's got some shit done to it. So, I've been working on the trunk. I'm going to clean up the rust. The battery was corroded. So, clean that up. Put that back on. It's hard as fuck to get on there. It's on there though. I had to put new blinkers. I got some moisture in there. It's got fucking, the exhaust is getting redone because it's legit. It was lower than this. I just raised the car 1.5 inches today. The guy had it stanced out and the the lip of the wheels was legit on the fender. So we raised it up. I mean, you're still low as shit, but yeah, the fender was legit right there. And the exhaust was scraping and banging everywhere. It's got a front mount, wastegate, all kinds of stuff, man. It's still got like the original JDM stickers from Japan. I got the receipts. He never put them in because he said they stunk, so I'm gonna clean those up. I took it to a shop today, the shop that I've been taking my Z to. Which never really posted about that either. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, supposedly this used to be an automatic. I got the boost gauge, air fuel ratio down there. I ordered a Bride shift boot and a neochrome shift knob for this. Check this out. This thing, I don't know what I guess a flare. Can we focus? It's got kanji on it. So that's tucked up under there. It's got like a little holder for it. Maybe? Okay. I guess it's staying like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna work on some of the interior for a bit because a lot of it doesn't clip. The piece where the door locks is like falling off. The doors don't lock properly. I gotta fix that. Yeah, 60,000 original miles on it. I gotta fix the speaker covers. I'm not a fan of the taillights. He gave me the OEM ones, but I don't know, I'm gonna switch them out. Let's pop the hood. I gotta get, what do they call them? Hood pins. Had a scare today, right? Drive down the road and all of a sudden the hood starts just wah, 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 and something like I heard something fall off the car and go underneath on the highway when we hit a bump, and then the hood starts flying. So also carbon fiber hood. Oof, yes. I'm putting this up. So this bracket, there's a screw down in here and it broke off, and this piece wasn't connected to the frame that goes down anymore, and the hood was just flopping all over the place. It's a nightmare. So it's got new coil packs, the front mount, which I don't know if it just doesn't line up, but this bracket's just kind of hanging out. I need to get an actual intake because this flat piece is not good. So I don't know if I can turn the flashlight on. Probably not. Of course not. So my turbo, all right, there's a bolt missing and the other bolt's loose. So this is probably still hot, right? Yeah, I can turn that with my hand. This one's just completely missing. Like, so maybe that's why my AFR readings are all over the fucking place. I'm gonna get that fixed. And yeah, it's the RB25. It's loud. The sorry for the lighting. I don't have electric in my garage. The HKS blow-off valve is loud. The clutch is slipping. He told me that when I bought it. It needs replaced. Anything over 3,000 RPM, it doesn't grab. It just slips and does nothing. So that's fun. And I'm gonna try to get that fixed ASAP. But I'm gonna do the exhaust first since it's missing bolts and it's just beat up. Like underneath, it's just absolutely destroyed. Just driving down the road, it just scraped constantly. And the welds, whoever did the welds on it, oh my god, it's so shitty. I could have did better. A 5-year-old could have did better. But yeah, so that's that. Yeah, this is my new toy. Trying to sell the Z, so if you know somebody who wants a Z, let me know. I'm gonna go through the interior right now and kind of work on that. So I'm trying to clean all the carpets, seats, all that stuff. And the storm's coming. So I guess I'm gonna postpone it. Clean 2 pieces. I cleaned all the trunk pieces. Did that one and that one. Hey. So we're gonna clean out the a little bit of rust we got, and the plug, the drain for the spare tire. Well, it's not horrible. Somebody's doing burnout. Help. Alright, so kind of smells like mold now, but this is all from the seats and the carpet. It's kind of dirty. So I'm about to refill it and finish this one and do the top. I might even get in there and actually do the front seats, because I'm sure they're even worse. Alright, we got that one done. Trying to beat this storm. Now we have the top of the rear seats. I'm gonna get those done. Still coming out with some pretty dirty water. Of course it smells better now, but you know, once it dries, it's probably gonna stink again. But whatever, we'll Febreze it. Do it tomorrow. Probably got to paint the Rust-Oleum trunk tomorrow, because I don't have paint and I don't feel like going anywhere. Alright, so we ran out of daylight. I got all of the seats clean, steam cleaned. I did all the carpet, or I guess the pieces, the mats that come out. I did all that. I don't have electric in my garage, but I rigged up some floodlights with an extension cord. So yeah, we're gonna maybe make a trip in the Z to go get some black paint and just roll with it. We got the first coat of paint down in there. Wasn't too much rust. I had to get under and do the fucking butt plug. Gonna steam clean the actual seats now. I'm not fucking taking those out. No. Yeah. It smells like gas in here. Where's the fucking... Then I'll, I don't know, I guess look all over, all on this shit. Clean it up. Nope, just smells like paint. Just kidding. Alright, roll the windows down. It is now raining. We're in the garage. We have no airflow, so we have the cat blocking the rain so it doesn't make the floor worse, because it already leaks as it is. I just steam cleaned seats in the Skyline, and I got goo on. So what we're gonna do is these stickers, we get rid of them. This one Original Japanese sticker. Keeping it. And then I'm going to go ahead and crawl in the back and I guess see if I can put the seats in. Put the second coat in on the trunk. I think that's going to do it, honestly. Same. All right, guys, we're in the Skyline. We're gonna put the back seat in, but we have to feed everything up first. All right, so we got the rear seats in. They're in. There's 2 bolts down at the bottom. You obviously can't see. There's 2 like latches with 2 threaded bolts that I don't have, so I'll have to go get some, bolt them down. But they're in there. Got my little helper in here. Hi, Rogue. Are you helping? She's helping me do stuff. Look how cool that is. I don't know what year it is. All right, back seats in. Mat's clean, mat's down. It's actually roomy back here. I'm sure if I pull the seats back, it will not be roomy. Let me try to boat, Mom. So we're just about done. I realize I say all right, guys, all the time. Gotta stop that. Anyway, so the carbon fiber hood needs hood pins. Because we got some, yeah, it's just, we had a scare today where this piece down there, I don't know if you can see it, broke off the fucking brace and my hood was just going ham. But the left side, the right side was flush, the left side didn't. So pro tip, if you don't know how to align your hood or aftermarket hood, there's these little rubber stops and you can twist them to raise them or lower them, and that'll fix your problem.